Hi, I'm Colin, and I love to see if I can make anything and everything at home. And so this weekend I made paletas. Paleta? Is that how you say it? All right, just a quick note before we begin. Tonight I'm drinking a Bala de Canal, and I made a whole video just about this cocktail. So if you want to learn more about it, you can click up at that link above me, or you can find the link in the description below. So today I want to make two flavors. I want to make cantaloupe and raspberry, and then a strawberries and cream. I started with the cantaloupe and raspberry recipe first. I seeded the cantaloupe and chopped it up into pieces that wouldn't bog my blender down. After that, I tossed in the raspberries. Then I added the remaining ingredients like the lemon juice, simple syrup, and rice vinegar. Vinegar may sound kind of odd right here, but it really just amps up the tang of the fruit. If I didn't tell you it was in there, you'd never know. After everything is in, you blend until you get a nice, smooth, juicy texture. You have to pass that whole mixture through a fine mesh sieve because of all those seeds. You'll still have some pulp left in the strainer when you're done, but that's totally okay. Then you just place all of that mixture into your popsicle molds. These are just the cheap molds off Amazon, and you can find a link to the ones I have in the description below. Then you just place those in the freezer for 6 hours and you're good to go. Preparing the strawberry paletas was very similar. First, I got the green parts off the strawberries, and I cut the big ones down to fit inside the blender. I pureed them and then passed them through a sieve just like the cantaloupe recipe. After that, I whisked in lemon juice, sugar, and then cream until everything was incorporated. Then I just added them to the molds like before. All right, Margot, what flavor do you want? Do you want the cantaloupe and raspberry or the strawberry one?
The strawberry one.
All right, take a bite. Tell me how it is. There's real strawberries in there. What do you think?
Good.
Did I do a good job?
Your turn.
Oh, okay. What? I have cantaloupe and raspberry. You want to trade? You want to try a bite of mine? I'll try a bite of yours. Wow. That's really strawberry-y.
Yeah, and this one's real cantaloupe. I tried this one before.
Yeah, we made that one before, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
Are these great?
Uh-huh.
Do you like these at summertime? All right, cheers.
Tastes good, and have a nice day, and have a good night. Bye.
What I really love about these two recipes are that you can really taste the fruit way more than you can if you were to buy store-bought fruit pops. And these are something that adults and kids alike can love. Well, I hope that you try to make some paletas. Go ahead and check out online. There's hundreds of flavor combinations for you to try. And if you end up making any, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. My handle is Colin Makes All the Things. All right, thanks for joining me. And until next time, cheers.